12, 12. You are entering a season where everything works out for you in your favor, right on time, every time. Affirm yes. Type 1212 if you agree. Everything you are experiencing is for you. It is definitely for your highest good. And that is why it is sometimes so painful to accept and comprehend, because the deepest wounds are triggered the most during the times of the greatest healing and new opportunities. Type yes if you believe in God, and also subscribe God's Manifesto 11:11.